our subject English grammar. In that, we are going to learn today prepositions and conjunctions. First of all, we are going to see about prepositions. Then, what are prepositions? Prepositions show the relationship between noun or pronouns and other words in a sentence. Examples: meet me in class. Keep the plates on the table. Here, in, on, these are prepositions. Words like in, into, on, up, across, under, above, behind, near, with, through, over, by, and between are the prepositions. Listen again carefully. The prepositions are the words in, into, on, off, across, under, above, behind, near, with, through, over, by, between. These all words are prepositions. Now see some examples with the sentence. We are going to learn about more prepositions and how they are used in the sentence. There were 2 apples in the basket. Here, in is a preposition. The beggar is sleeping under the tree. Under is preposition. My grandmother lives in the apartment which is above the grocery shop. Here, in, above. These words are prepositions. She was getting into her car when her mother called her. In this sentence, into is a preposition. The baby is hiding behind the curtains. Behind is a preposition. The new stadium is near our house. Here, which word is preposition? Near. The baby is sleeping with its mother. Here, with is a preposition. The train is passing through the tunnel. Here, through word is a preposition. The horse jumped over the fence. Over is preposition. Manya sat by the window. Here, by is a preposition. In all these sentences, in, under, above, into, behind, near, with, through, over, by. These all words are prepositions and they shows the relations between noun and pronouns or the other words. Then some more examples also here. We should take care of our elders. Here, of is preposition. We should be kind to the street animal. To is preposition. We should be kind to the street animal. To is preposition. Tina is coming to dinner. Here, to is preposition. It is 5 o'clock by my watch. By is a preposition. They sat at the table to read. At the preposition. He is suffering from chickenpox. From is a word preposition in this sentence. I am taking this chocolate for my friends. Here, what is the preposition? For is a preposition. The bus is moving at full speed. What the word at is a preposition. Then see, we learn different words of preposition. Now we are going to learn more about prepositions. Let us discuss the correct use of some prepositions. Among and between. Here, how to use among and between in the sentence. For two people or things, we use between. Two people or two things. For that, say we use between word there. For more than two people or things, we use among. If we have to use word for more than two people or the more than two things, that time we use among. See some examples here. Ria is standing between her friends. Here, Ria is standing between her friends means comparison did with the two people or two girls. Ria is standing among her friends. Here, more than two girls are there, and in them Ria is standing. That's why here among word is used. There is no difference between the two drawings. She shared the chocolates among her classmates. Here also the between there shows difference between two drawings and two things are there. That's why we use between. And next sentence, she shared the chocolates among her classmates. She shared the chocolates among more than two friends. That's why, or more than two classmates. That's why here among word is used. Now see about into and in. In shows position in one place, and into shows a movement from one place to another. See two pictures here. Vijay is jumping into the pool. Here movements are happen, and that's why we use into. Here Vijay is in the pool. Here position is on one place. The cat is going into the kitchen, and Jyoti is in her room. Then see about beside and besides. Beside means by the side of or near to, and besides means in addition to or with that. Example C. Come and sit beside me. Beside means near to me. Besides singing, I also like to dance. It means I like singing with that dance. That's why besides word is used. Then, what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are joining words. They help in joining words, groups of words, and even sentences also. See some words they joining to the words. Conjunctions join words that belong to the same part of speech. Nouns, for examples, nouns mummy and papa, apple or pear. It shows same part of speech. That why here and use or here or use. Adjectives sad and tired, intelligent but naughty. Adverbs here and there, slowly but surely. Pronouns he and I, them or me. Here and or but, these words are conjunction. Then conjunctions join sentences also. See examples. Mummy is going to town. I am going with her. We had joined the sentences by using and we can say that Mummy is going to town and I am going with her. Now while join sentences we remove full stop and next letter we had joined with that. Some conjunctions and their correct uses are explained below. And now see about as and how to use that. We use and to join two words or two sentences expressing similar ideas. Example, Meena went to the library. She brought a few books. Here, similar ideas are there, and that's why we use and. Meena went to the library and brought a few books. Meena and then C is used for Meena. That's why we remove the C word and then we written here and. Then see about or. We use or to join words or sentences offering a choice. Example, you can have tea, you can have coffee. Here, choice is here, that's why we use or. You can have tea or coffee. You can go to the library, you can stay at home. Here also, choice is offered, and that's why written sentence is you can go to the library or stay at home. But how to use but? We use but to join construct sorry. We use but to join contrasting words or sentences. Example, Tina is tall, Meena is short. Here we use but. Tina is tall but Meena is short. Jeet is young, he is wise. We join the sentences we join the sentence by using but. Jeet is young but wise. Young and wise is written about Jeet. That's why we use here but. Then how to use because? We use because when one sentence says something and the other sentence gives a reason for it. He was late. He missed the bus. He was late because he missed the bus. Here because is used. Why? Second sentence is reason or answer of first sentence. That's why we written he was late because he missed the bus. More examples for our better understanding here. Although he is wealthy, Mr. Verma is very humble. Here, although is conjunction and it can come at the starting of the sentences also. When the rain stopped, we started our journey. Here, when come at the start of the sentence and that is also conjunction. The kids were playing while their mother was away. Here, in between, while word is used. Since he is late, let us start the show without him. Since is a conjunction. I will stop crying if you give back my pen. Here, if is a conjunction. You cannot enter unless you have the permission to do so. Here, unless is a conjunction. You are not well, so I will take you to the doctor. Here, so is conjunction. They ran after the thief, but could not catch him. Here, but is conjunction. You can come along with us or stay back at home. Here, or is a conjunction. She won the competition because she had worked hard for it. And in this sentence, because is a conjunction. Some more sentences also here. The baby was crying because it was hungry. Here, what conjunction is? Because. I will not let you go unless you speak me truth. In this sentence, which is conjunction? Unless. If you agree with us, We might take you to the circus. Here, if is conjunction. Although the dress was gorgeous, Mary did not like it. Here, although is conjunction and that came at the start of the sentence. We left the place when the fire broke out. Here, when is conjunction. While you were sleeping, Rohan called twice. While is conjunction. Since you have a fractured leg, you have to stay at home for a month. Here, since is conjunction. You are alone, so I will stay back with you. So is conjunction. The wedding will be held at Chennai or at Hyderabad. Here, or conjunction is used. He reached the movie hall on time but failed to get any ticket. Here, but is conjunction word. Vivan and Jyoti went to meet the principal. In this sentence, and conjunction is used. You must listen to me if you want to know the truth. Here, if is conjunction. Rohini, return your book while you were in the park. While is conjunction word. Eat your breakfast quickly or you will miss the school bus. Or is conjunction.